Welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue paper slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad from my last video is... Also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue paper slime. This video has been so requested in the past few months, so thank you guys so much for that. But the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is any type of thick soap. I'm using Suave Kids 2-in-1 and also this Garnier's soap. It's the shampoo. I'm using both of those. Then you guys will also need, of course, shaving cream. I'm using the Gillette one. Then you guys will also need paper, of course. I'm just using printing paper. You can use any type of paper you want, like toilet paper, tissue paper, whatever. You also need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys need a mixing tool. So I'm first going to get out my bowler plate and I'm going to get adding in my soap. So this soap, I realized right away that it was a little bit on the thin side. Not really a little bit, a lot. So I added in a little bit of this shampoo, which is the Garnier's one, and it's going to make it super thick. So I'm going to mix it up just to make a very thick base to make the paper slime. And after you're doing that, you need to get your paper out. So I'm just using printing paper, and all you're going to have to do is rip it up just like this. Rip it up into small pieces, and they have to be very, very small pieces like this. And this is almost going to create like a butter slime texture to the slime. And it's just going to make your slime way thicker, and it will melt into the slime over time. So I'm going to get mixing it up, as you can see now. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the shaving cream. This part is my favorite part out of all the parts because I don't really know, it's just always is my favorite. And I'm going to add the shaving cream now. I'm using this Gillette one. This one I've used for all my no-glue slime recipes, like fluffy slime, paper slimes. This one works the best. And after adding that, I'm going to get mixing it up like so. And I don't know, this is really satisfying for me to do, so I fast forwarded a bunch. I did add more paper into it as well to make it more thicker. And I just kept mixing it. Okay, so now I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours, and every 30 minutes I'm going to mix it up and see how it is. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Also guys, make sure to check out my slime Etsy shop, Kawaii Slime Shop 24. It will be linked in the description box down below. On there we have best-selling slimes and Christmas slimes, which right there was Candy Cane Crunch and Rudolph's Nose. And for Black Friday, my whole shop is 20% off. And every order comes with 2 extra baggies, which are right here. And every order comes with a candy cane, of course, and a borax packet, and a signed signature and a card. So remember, check out my slime shop, Kawaii Slime Shop 24. It will be linked down below. Okay, so it's been about 3.5 hours, and I have this whole setup now to show the slime. And here is, I did add in a little bit more of the shampoo because I saw it was a little bit on the runny side. And here is, I'm so surprised by it. I can tell there's like a little bit of melted shaving cream on the top, which I didn't really know what it was at first, but now that I'm looking back on it and doing a voiceover now, I can tell. And it's super, super thick. It's really, really good. I haven't had a paper slime work this well in a while, and this one works really, really nice, this recipe. I'm going to take it out of the bowl and see how it is. So stretchy. I didn't think it would turn into such a nice buttery, fluffy slime texture like this. I really wish I added some food coloring into it. It would be so much prettier. But, you know, this is an okay color as well. But look how stretchy it is, and it smells just like shaving cream. It's very, very strong, but it's not a bad scent. But this recipe turned out amazing, and I can't wait to see if it turned out good for you guys as well. And all I used was these soaps, Suave Kids 2-in-1, Garnier's, shaving cream, and paper, and it made this slime, which is so awesome. But yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching this video today. This recipe turned out amazing for me. I'm really surprised with how thick it turned out. And it turned out so amazing. I'm just so shocked with how great it turned out. Super thick and like a buttery slime. But remember to check out my slime Etsy shop, Kawaii Slime Shop 24. It will be linked in the description box down below. Please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some videos. Bye guys. I love you so much in peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye! And here is a slime ASMR of the slime. I didn't really show it a lot in the video, but here it is now. Turned out amazing. I love you guys so much. Bye.